Hi, this is an overview of an employee database management system developed using Python. Let me show you guys how this works. Here we have these 8 buttons actually. We have 8 buttons here, and in here we've already entered some data, and that very data is now stored inside our list box here, but it's not in our database yet. So all we need to do is to click on display, okay, and we can just tap down to check out details that we just stored, and that is it right there. Jonathan Alltown. Okay. We can also reset if we want. There we go, and enter new data in there. Let's say the reference is BBK, and the name, let's say the name is John Johnson. Have the personal details of John right there, so all we then need to do is to enter his wages. Okay, that's his waiting allowance, and that's his wages per year, or per month, and let's put in some overtime, just some spending right there. So all we just need to do now is to click on add new, and the total button, click, and there, if you look at the name is John Johnson. If I click on display, there's no John Johnson here yet. Okay, so let's scroll right down and see. There we go, John Johnson there. And one other thing that we can do is we can even print out the details or the payslip of John Johnson. Once you click on that, I'll open up Word document, and right in there just click on OK. But unfortunately I don't have a printer on my system. There we go. You see, window cannot print due to a problem with the printer setup. I don't have a printer on my system. That's just to prove to you that it works. Click on OK and exit out there. Okay, what I'm going to do is, since this is an overview, I'm going to add the details of the full tutorial in the description area for this very beautiful employee database management system. This is just an overview for you guys to have a look at. If you're interested in this type of project, then you can have a good look at the full tutorial. So with that, for now, I'm going to call it bye for now.